What's up everybody? In this video we're going to install the Soundstream Reserve. This is the 14SI version. So as of right now it's the newest version that's out. It's been out for a while, so like I'm definitely not ahead of the game here or anything like that, but it's time to upgrade the stereo in the Harley. This is the first video in the new garage here, and it echoes and it sounds weird, so just forgive me and work with me a little bit while until I get things kind of straightened out a little better. But yeah, it's kind of a mess, but I'm starting to get set up. So yeah, let's tear into this bike. From the videos that I've watched, this should be pretty easy. We need to remove this bracket from the unit because this is what the top part of the dash, that vent, clips into. So we just need to remove these, and then there's 4 bolts, 2 on each side. Unplug the wires and then she'll lift right out of here. Alright, so that's it. Stock unit is out. Now we'll grab our new one. One of the things I was looking forward to the most with this stereo is the Apple CarPlay. So I do have the USB cable hooked up, USB to Lightning. This way we can check out the Apple CarPlay. So we've got CarPlay up here. Alright, so I'm definitely going to have to play around with the settings a bit and get used to how everything works and all that, and I got to get the front fairing back together, but I need to leave it off for another video. So for now, that's gonna do it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I think this is a pretty cool head unit. I'm excited to have something new and different on the bike. Have a good one. Stay safe out there as always.